Today, I'm going to guide you through the steps to recover your hacked WhatsApp account. If you think your account was hacked, don't worry, I'll show you what to do to regain access. First, let's talk about how to recognize if your WhatsApp account has been hacked. You will notice some messages sent from your account that you didn't send. You can't access your account because you receive a verification code you didn't request. Your friends inform you of strange messages coming from your number. If you identify any of these signs, it's time to take action. The first step is to recover your account is to log back in, open WhatsApp and enter your phone number and request a verification code. If the hacker hasn't changed your number, you'll receive a verification code via SMS. Now go to settings in your WhatsApp, tap on account and then select two-step verification. Turn it on, enable it and set a 6-digit PIN. This makes it harder for anyone to access your account without your PIN. Next step is to make sure to inform your contacts that your account was hacked. This helps prevent them from falling victim to scams or suspicious messages sent from your account. If you can't regain access or notice any suspicious activity, you can contact WhatsApp support immediately. And that's it. You now know how to recover your hacked WhatsApp account and protect it in the future.